Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Winter Gardens local and long distance movers near me. Trying to find a reliable and cheap winter gardens moving company should be very easy. 3 Movers strives to make certain your long distance or local move goes without problems. We provide moving services for residential and commercial clients. Our customers include all sorts of people from veterans to students and from property owners to business owners. Whether you want to move a studio apartment, large property, or your company, we're available to assist you. We provide the right expert long-distance moving solutions to help make your move so much simpler. We help you with your move no matter how far you need to go, from 100 miles to beyond 1,000 miles. The best moving services make all the difference, and our experts provide just what you need for your upcoming relocation. Working with us guarantees you receive access to all the basic long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, always on time, and transparent pricing. Hiring a local California moving company could seem unnecessary originally. When you evaluate the major advantages you get, the price can be a lot easier to deal with. A good moving company can really help you preserve time, no matter how far you're moving. You will also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. With our skilled movers, you receive a very efficient move throughout. You do not have to worry about spending several days handling your move when you pick 3 movers to help. Moving locally can be very quick, and our crew can handle even a large move in just a single afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Winter Gardens moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.